So, welcome to our Wednesday webinar. Today you're going to see how to plan step by step such a modern living wall unit like this. And when there are any questions, just let me know in the chat and I will keep an eye on it and to support you as well. So first of all, we click here on the red eye and we activate the measurements. Now we can also have the arrows here, and then we click on File and start a new project. So on the beginning, we just set the first cabinet, and the width of the cabinet is 1000 meter. So click in here, type in 1000, and the depth of it is 750. So, and the height of the first cabinet is 2000 millimeter. So we just type it in, and it's also good now on the beginning to copy this. So we click here on this smart click on the bottom right back corner, and here we click on copy, and we will do it again. Just click on here and click copy. So then the cabinets, they are also attached to each other, and that is all right. So the height of the middle one is a bit lower, so it's actually 500 millimeter. So you click on here, type in 500, confirm it with enter, and the depth of the right cabinet is 400. So that is all right. Then we have here the basic, and then we can drag and drop the right material over it, and therefore you can activate here in the material tab all part of the group and for all cabinets. So, and then we type in the filter here 18 mil, and then you just drag it and drop it over here. You see you can also rotate, and that is fine. So now we also need to change the option for the plinths, because we don't want to have plinth legs. So that's why we go back to the cabinet tab and go in the drop down menu for beneath cabinet, and here we remove the checkbox for plinth legs and it disappears, and here we activate it for the left right side, and we can also set an offset like 5 millimeter, 155, and we can change this material as well. So you see the material also changed for the other cabinets, and when you do want to have the same setting you have on the right one for the other ones as well, then you click again on the cabinet tab, beneath cabinets, and here's the last button, all cabinets, and here we just close this window, and then we have it for all cabinets. So here I forgot about the height. We can do it again. And here we are. Yeah, then the plinths are set it up for all cabinets, and you see we have already the structure. Yeah, and now we are going from the left to the right. Yeah, so click here on a division tab, and here we have a vertical, and you see in my default the verticals are passing through top and they are double. We remove this and we set it to a single, and here if you want you can also change here the connectors. All right, so then we do have two horizontals here, and the height of the middle area is 150, and here we can drag and drop a drawer in it. So far we will have the same setting for the right side as well, and that's why we can go on a smart click for the left side. You see it also purple colored now. You click on here, click copy, and you click on this smart click, and here you paste it. Yeah, that is all right. And then we want to have on the left side left door for the top and bottom, and for the right side a right door for top and the bottom. All right, then we are done. The material for the fronts we will do on the end. Okay, so then we can go to the second cabinet and here the first important thing to consider is that the top panel is passing through. Yeah, the horizontal is passing through. So you just click on the smart click and click horizontals passing. That is how we want to have it. So, and here on top of this cabinet, we will also copy the bottom one, yeah, by clicking here, and we just, yeah, you need to make sure that this is also the activated cabinet, and then you click here, copy, and we have the same one here. And you can click here on the red eye and click on draw the room and click here again. Yeah, then we only see the isolated cabinet, and here we don't want to have plinths, so we will remove it. We don't have bottom panel, and we don't have side panel. So, and also the depth of it is like the right cabinet, only 400 millimeters. So, and you see the back is also flat, and we have the same material. Yeah. So the back will have a gap to the sides of 150 millimeter to each side, and an overlap to the top of 200, and therefore we go here in this area and go here in the setting. So here you have a lot of options, and we only want to change here. We don't want to remove the back. We type in here distance back to top. Yeah, you see the arrow is going down. That's why we type in -200, then it goes in the other direction. And on the bottom, it's all right with 0. And on the left and right side, we have a distance of 150. We're gonna save it and you see it. Yeah, so parameters changed immediately. So now we click here on the height of the cabinet and we type in 1200, confirm it with enter, and that is how we want to have it. Now you click on a red eye and activate the room, and here we are. Yeah, this is also well done. And now we go on the middle cabinet on the bottom. Here we click on the vision and adding also a vertical. Yeah, here we activate the single side, and then we have here a horizontal, and these both areas, they are related in relation 1 to 2 to each other. That's why you click here on the height, type in number 2, confirm with enter, then it's related 1 to 2, and we click here on front and drag and drop in a drawer. So, and you can also copy this left area. Yeah, here you need to make sure. You see here you have the top left area and here the whole left area. You click on here, click copy, then you click here on the smart click. You see the right area purple colored. You click here again and just paste it. Yeah, then you save a lot of time and it's easy. All right, then we are pretty much done. Now we are finishing the last cabinet. Here we click on division again and we drag and drop a vertical in it. Yeah, here it's all right. This should be passing through top, but it can be still a single side. And here you see you can click on this arrow and you can change the height here. Yeah, now I got a lucky shot. So otherwise, when you don't match the value you want to change, then you click here on the measurement and confirm it with enter. Yeah, you type it in. So in this case, it's all right with 100. That's fine. So yeah, and here we have also here 2 horizontals in the left and in the right. And here in the middle part, it's same 150. So you see the bottom and the top area, they are related still in relation 1 to 1 to each other. And here, when we click in here and type in the height 150, you see it's not matching because here it's a bit lower. Yeah, it's 100 millimeter lower. That's why we need to type in here the height, also 864. Yeah, so we just click on the measurement and type in 864, confirm it with enter, and then you see it's on the same level. Yeah, that is how we want to have it. And now we only click on a front tab and drag and drop the drawers in here. Here on the bottom, we also want to have a drawer. And here we have a door, a right door, and here a right door as well. And here a left door. So you see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 7 doors, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers. So all drawers shall have the same color, white, except this one. Yeah, here I also noticed I forgot a bit. Yeah, here should be, we delete it again, because here should be also one more horizontal with the distance of 200. Yeah, you see, when you something forget or you want to add something, it's pretty easy to delete something and to just change it. Yeah, so we have 7 drawers and 7 doors, and the color of the fronts should be different. Yeah, for the doors, and we are looking for this one. Yeah, and here you can activate all cabinets, because the right doors is one category. Yeah, just drag and drop it here. You remove the thick on rotated, then it's how we want to have it. And here also for the left. Yeah, here the drawer, we want to have the same color. And here we click only selected part. So, because drawers also belonging to a category like the left doors and right doors, that's why it's here. We need to have here the checkbox activated. Otherwise, the other rows would be also changed, but we don't want to have it. Yeah, and the handle should be a bit longer. So, but only for the drawers. So you can change the setting for the handles globally and for any part, yeah, for any front, single one. So therefore you click here on front, and here you click on vertical, and here drillings for handle, you type in like 150. And then you click here, you see here this changed to 150, and now you click here all cabinets, and then you close it, and all cabinets get the handles with a distance of the drillings 150, and that's why the handles also getting longer. Yeah, so, and when you want to have push to open fronts, when you have this and you don't want to have a handle for the doors, then you need to deactivate it here manually. So you click here on a smart click, go in the setting, here hand type in number 0 and save it. Yeah, here again. Yeah, I haven't figured out a faster way yet, but when you have something like this, here it's a bit unfortunate because we have 7 drawers and 7 doors. So when you have a case with like 10 drawers and only 3 doors, then for sure it's going faster. But here we need to do it 7 times. Yeah, because we want to keep the handles for the drawers, like we have done it globally. And here the other ones we can change the option. Yeah, just type in handle type 0. That means there is no handle. And then we are also pretty much done. So this one and only the last one here. Type in number 0 and save it. And now we are done. So you can remove the arrows, smart clicks, and the dimensions, and yeah, you can present it to your customer. Yeah, you can click on the red eye again, present it with open fronts. Yeah, or with visible fronts. Yeah, you see, you can check inside. Yeah, or you originally show it with the drawn fronts. All right, that is it for today. I think it's a good project to see what is possible with TrunCAD, and yeah, I thank you for your attention and have fun to plan it yourself. So take care, and I'm looking forward to see you the next time. So take care. Bye bye.